The Presidential Communications Office or PCO and the National Secretariat of the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair or BPSF have jointly issued warnings against scammers exploiting the program to victimize citizens. Authorities emphasize that obtaining a BPSF ID is free of charge and is not for sale. There are also no entrance fees at caravan locations. Every aid distribution under the program undergoes thorough validation and citizens are never asked for any payment. The public is advised to remain vigilant and alert to avoid falling prey to fraudulent schemes.
Napakaganda po ng ginagawa ng national government kasi nga we are basically bringing our services to people's doorstep. So nakikita po natin na ina-address po on the ground yung immediate concerns po ng ating mga, of course, ating mga kababayan.
Patuloy po na magkakaroon ng Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair. In fact, sa amin po sa Riyong Bicol, sa Albay, naka-schedule po sometime in August, no, of this year. So patuloy pa po ito, no? And I guess next week pupunta din po sila sa Tawi-Tawi. So yun po ang kinaganda, no, with this kind of Servicio Fair. Dahil hindi lamang cash assistance yung binibigay natin, pati rin po mga soft and hard projects, no, na ibinababa po ng gobyernong ito.